my head down, I keep my chin up, but it ends up all the same. Without your back's Percy, you're always to blame. I never try to do anything, I never mean to hurt anyone. I try to be a good kid, yeah, Percy, that's a good one. But no one ever will take my side, all I ever do is take the fall. I swear that I'm a good kid, 'cause I'm good for nothing at all. The school's in 6 years, every battle, every day. No one ever tells me that they're proud, no one asks me, Percy, how'd you like to come around and stay? 'Cause all you get are bad grades and a bum rep and a bad rep and a good smack and no friends and no hope and no mom. She's taken away. I swear I never stole anything, never meant to hurt anyone. I swear that I'm a good kid. A good kid who's had a bad run. And all I need is one last chance to prove I'm good enough for some.